Hi everyone. Monsoons bring a pleasant change from the blistering summer heat, and if this is your first rainy season with your baby, it's sure to be the special one. Monsoon air is laden with moisture, the present environment for fungal and bacterial growth. Not to mention, this season offers the perfect breeding growth for mosquitoes and insects who try everything they can do to enter your home. Here are essentials that will safeguard your baby on rainy days. Let's be real. No matter what you do to keep the mosquitoes out, a few pesky ones always manage to find their way indoors. They carry all kinds of diseases ranging from dengue to malaria, which are even more dangerous to babies. In that case, a mosquito repellent always comes in handy. You may be wondering if these are safe for babies, and you can easily find ones that are. Child safe mosquito repellents made with natural ingredients work wonders in keeping these carriers of diseases away without harming your baby's skin. The Baby Hug 100% natural mosquito repellent range consists of gels, sprays, and patches that are child safe and environmental friendly. Each product is made from a blend of citronella, lemongrass, and eucalyptus essential oils, which provide natural protection from mosquitoes and are safe for babies above 3 months of age. Simply spray or rub in and receive up to 8 hours of mosquito free comfort. In this way, your baby can play and sleep in peace. A good skincare routine is a must during the monsoons to keep your baby's skin clean and nourished. Use a gentle body wash to bath your child each day. You should ideally wash his hair every 2 to 3 days to prevent the buildup of sweat and use a no tears baby safe shampoo to do so. Dry his body and hair thoroughly after the bath, especially making sure his hair is completely dry so he doesn't catch a cold. Apply a baby powder with a powder puff to get rid of any remaining moisture and keep the skin dry. But don't go overboard with it. While changing your baby's clothes at night, you can run a white web across his body and apply some powder. These steps hardly take a few minutes, but work wonders in keeping your little one's skin clean and healthy during the rainy season. Clothing can actually play a huge part in your baby's health during monsoons. Any dampness or moisture in your baby's clothes from water, baby food, or incorrect drying of clothes can lead to fungal infections. Also, dark clothing and wet clothing means hello mosquitoes. Make sure that you dress your child in your light colored and breathable fabrics, preferably cotton. Just before it gets dark, you could also stick a couple of the Baby Hug natural mosquito repellent patches on your child's clothes and bed. These are perfect if your baby has sensitive skin that could react to a topical product. These patches provide up to 12 hours of protection from mosquitoes and do not leave any residue when removed. Easy, right? Another tip, always make sure your baby's clothes are completely dry before you store them. You could also place them under the fan or run a hair dryer over them if they rescue or refuse to dry properly in this season. Babies tend to pee more during the rainy season due to the humidity and moisture in the air and the cold weather. Make sure to change your baby's diaper more frequently during this season and adopt a stringent diaper routine to prevent bacterial growth. Use wet wipes and thoroughly clean your little one's bottom. Let it dry for a couple of minutes before you put on a new diaper. Having a clean diaper without the constant feeling of wetness will also help your baby remain calm and happy throughout the day. So prepare for those super adorable smiles. A strong and effective disinfectant need not to be chemical laden. When buying disinfectants, make sure to look for baby safe ones that are naturally and plant based. These get rid of germs without harming your baby. It can be tough to mop all the rooms in your house with a disinfectant twice a day, but you can do it for the room your baby sleeps in just to make sure it stays clean. A tip: add some mosquito repellent into the bucket before you mop the room to keep mosquitoes away. The Baby Hug mosquito repellent spray makes this process super convenient as you can easily mix this product into the water. This will kill any mosquitoes around the house, especially in the evening. Mask and sanitizer is a must during this time. As germs are more likely to spread in the rainy season, many brands have masks that are best suited for babies' small face and allowed for breathability as well. Most sanitizers have a high alcohol content which is dangerous for babies. Instead, opt for a baby safe sanitizer that your little one can remain safely protect with. You can switch to baby sanitizers for the entire family as well if they are constantly around your little one. These are effective and keep babies protected during these hard times. Whether you are a fan of the rainy season or not, your baby is bound to love watching the droplets of rain outside your window. Even though this season does bring some dangers with it, a little preparation will keep your baby safe and happy. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Top Animates. Hit like, share and comment. Thank you.